Hi, today I gotta be sharing something special with you. I found these at the thrift store some time ago and did not really pay too much attention to them because they were super dirty. And as you can see, there's still some dirt on this side, over there, on this one there at the top. I'm just tired of cleaning them, it's just impossible. I'm probably gonna have to give them to the professional jeweler and have them ultrasonically cleaned because I don't know how old these are, but when I got them, the circles basically were completely black on this side, on both sides actually, and on the other side on the reverse. It's kind of hard to say how old they are, but these are so old. And again, this is just, not an expert here. I'm not telling you, 100%. I don't want to say this is Egypt level, but it's very old. As a matter of fact, they're so old that if you were to take 10 times magnifier and look at them, you're literally gonna see on the side here around, they're like markings on this one and this one. So it could be old coin. Coin is really strange because the coin on one side, it has this, what I was able to make out as a deer, because you can see antlers, and then behind the deer there's a tree. And on this one, it looks like a bee, like sitting on something. There's like some kind of something underneath the bee. And then on the other side, it's the opposite. I don't know how old these are, but again, just judging purely by the fact that, the way they made at 10 times zoom at these, and they're not made by the machine. I mean, it's literally bent and soldered by hand. So I'd say these are probably at least 100 years old, maybe more. I mean, there are no markings on them at all. Like, there's nothing. There's no silver mark. There's like absolutely nothing, no markings at all. I have no clue what these are. Now, I will confess, I did test them already, so I do know what they are. But for you not to spoil the surprise, tell me what you think. Do you think these are Egypt level, several thousand years old? Do you think these Chinese fake, made yesterday at Chinese factory? Do you think they're silver, gold? Do you think they're, this part inside is this gold? Or is it, it's kind of, yellowy orange a little bit there? Just give me your thoughts. Put something in the comments. Let me know what do you think these are. But anyway, enough talking. I'm already talking for almost 3 minutes. So let's just go ahead and give them a try to see what they are. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because these are clearly separate pieces, right? So we're gonna make 4 marks here. So I'm gonna do 1 mark for this piece, 1 mark for this, and then we're gonna do 1 more for this and 1 more for that. So you're gonna hold it like so, and gently, it's a pretty thick piece. They really made well, or maybe they just back in time didn't have the technology to make them thinner. Whatever you prefer to think. So I just marked this piece here. Now I'm going to just flip it over and use the bottom and mark just 1 more line here. There we go. So 1 is done. Let's do same for this one. One is done. We'll do same on this side here. Now, I must say, these are pretty heavy. These are heavy earrings for sure. They both, I didn't weigh them yet, but I'm sure they're at least 3 grams, maybe even 5 grams each. They're very heavy. This piece is solid. This piece is very thick. Anyway, let's go ahead, take our acid and go ahead and apply it. Hopefully you guessed it right. Let's double check to see if you're right. So today I'm going to be using my 18 karat gold acid. Let's go ahead and apply it to line number 1. Line number 2, 3, and line number 4. Okay. Let me know, what are you seeing? I'm seeing a little bit of blue on this side, a little bit of blue there, a little bit of blue there, and a little bit of blue there. So I would say these are definitely silver. I did not press them very hard. It's not much silver there. Most of it dissolved. I'm also going to add, I don't think it's high purity silver. What I mean by that, it's not 90%, it's not 92.5, it's not sterling, it's maybe not even 800, because given how old these are, maybe this is 50%, maybe it is 75%, who knows? Those are the findings and those are the results for you right there. If you in a thrift store, if you're somewhere on sale, maybe you're on a flea market, whatever it is, if you see something old and dirty, don't walk away. Make an offer, try to get a good deal, and you never know what you're going to find. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a like. I do welcome your comments. Please tell me what you think. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have regarding these particular pieces. That's all I have for you today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.